Let's ask Arunima and Arun Dhanta joining us. Arunima, whereabouts are you? You are. Why do I see Anand Singh behind you? So whereabouts? I see you on the I see him on the poster. Yeah.
Yes, so I am at Anand Singh's Patna residence, and you know it's all decked up. It's almost as if it's Diwali still continuing. It says "Jail ka fatak tootega, mera sher chhootega." And if you come with me inside, I want to show you the party offices are not ready as yet, but the Anand Singh residence is all decked up. There are supporters here. There are shamiyanas that have been put up on the other side, and they say they're going to feed 1 lakh people. So this is the shamiyana. The chairs have all been set up. The tables have been laid out, and the food. Just bear with me. If I will walk down to the kitchen area, I spotted at least 10 tubs of gulab jamun and rasgulla already ready. There's a huge kadhai there which was simmering with tarkari. So this is the area where the supporters from Mokama are going to come and they're going to be fed. There's a poster outside which says that every Vidhan Sabha member in Mokama is welcome to Anand Singh's residence. So this is the kitchen area that we are now walking into, where the cauliflowers have been chopped, the tomatoes are being pureed. And here when I go right, I'm going to show you where the mithai section is. This is the mithai section.
Oh, Neeraj from News 18 India is already in there.
Yes, so here, there you go. This is the mithai section.
Wow.
You see the gulab jamun is already ready. The rasgulla is already, ready for dispersal. And on the other side, let me just show you how the puri tarkari nashta is being prepared. Here.
अरे यहाँ डाइट कंट्रोल करवा रहे हैं आप और आप पूरी तरकारी और गुलाब जामुन दिखा रही हैं.
The puri tarkari is ready here. कितने लोगों के लिए खाना बन रहा है मुरारी जी यहाँ पे?
हाँ मैडम 1 लाख.
1 लाख.
हाँ मैडम जी.
तो आपको पता है वो जीत रहे हैं?
एकदम जीत रहे हैं. इधर आ जाइए. इधर सब्जी पड़ेगा.
Hello. Okay, the sabzi is going for dispersal, Anand. It's a full-on kitchen that is.
हर बार आनंद सिंह जीते हैं.
नहीं भाई जेल गए तो असर नहीं पड़ेगा.
कोई जेल का असर नहीं पड़ेगा इस बात को लेकर के.
हाँ.
मैं भी आनंद, आप भी आनंद, पूरे मोकामा की जनता से हर घर से है अनंत अनंत.
Okay, हर घर से है अनंत अनंत. So that is the sentiment here. They're saying साजिश रची गई है. So this is एक मिनट. So they're all excited because they feel as soon as counting begins, Anand Singh will be declared winner. So at least at one place here in Patna, the early mover advantage can be seen in the kitchen.
Well, see, Anand Singh is somebody who's always another Bahubali and who's always been very, very confident, Arunima. And jail ka darwaza tootega, mera sher chhootega. That's a sentiment in Mokama, and Anand Singh had said that this was being done deliberately to try and, sabotage my own campaign. That's what he had believed. But whether or not the victory is in his, we don't know. But aap gulab jamun puri tarkari khaiye hamari taraf se. हमारा डाइट नहीं छूटेगा अभी तक तो बिकॉज हम वहाँ आपके साथ नहीं है.
Diet control for us also.
Let's go across to Arun Dhanta. Arun Dhanta is there at the BJP office. हाँ अरुण वाह अभी भी आप अकेले ही हैं कि आ गए कार्यकर्ता?
बिल्कुल 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 आनंद, अभी भी हम अकेले ही हैं क्योंकि बीजेपी इज वेरी कैलकुलेटेड एंड मेजर्ड हियर. एज वी स्पोक टू लीडर्स yesterday, they are saying that they will start celebrations, but there is a specific time for it. 7:38 you will see that BJP workers will be coming slowly to the party office. That's the instruction which has been given. And also, as we were discussing earlier, Anand, that the orders have been placed for the sweets here, and slowly you will see that also trickling in. Right now, of course, the office is filled with the posters, one of which you see right behind me. Raftar pakad chuka hai Bihar fir se NDA sarkar. So the entire office is decked up with such posters, and you will see slowly BJP workers will be coming in here. We are also told that there is a place dedicated here where laddu, samosas and things for the breakfast will be prepared. So those people will also be coming in here at the BJP office. And BJP, of course, as we discussed earlier, is very, very confident that they're going to cross 160.
Right. Whether or not they cross 160, we will know in a few hours from now, Arun Dhanta. But in a few minutes, you will have nice hot breakfast. That's good. So the hard work pays off. Early bird catches the samosa in this case. Thank you. Stay on. We'll come back. And as and when we have somebody from the, Bihar BJP coming there, we'd like you to speak with them. Pallavi Ghosh. ये बड़ा सुनसान वीराना, आप कहाँ पर हैं?
Okay, it's not Virana at all. It's just trickling in. You see this bus over here? That's a trademark Prashant Kishore bus. I'm at the Shekhpura house in Patna. He's been parked over here for 3.5 hours. A very kind of a corporate style of campaign. I'm just going to give you a wee bit picture right behind me. These are the people who are trickling in. This is the team PK as they call themselves. You know, Prashant Kishore has tried to change the landscape of the way elections should be done over here, because wherever he's been traveling, he's been talking about a different Bihar. He's talking about that caste should not be the barometer. I want jobs. You know, in fact, he's the only one who's also talking about prohibition doesn't make sense at all, and if I come to power. And I remember when I'd spoken to him and I asked him whether you're a king or a kingmaker, he told me very categorically that I'm going to be the kingmaker. Well, the numbers are going to tell us that. But he's kept
Pallavi,
both the camps
if you have been
somewhat
speaking to him,
edgy.
you should have asked
Because
him,
when I
kingmaker बनना है तो लड़ना भी तो चाहिए था. Why didn't he fight the elections? इलेक्शन लड़े होते तो
I did
5-10
ask
सीटें
him.
मिलती.
When I went to Gopalganj, I did ask him that question. But you know, he tells me that a captain of the ship ही अगर लड़ने लगेगा तो फिर वो बाकी टीम members के लिए क्या लड़ेगा और क्या बैटिंग करेगा. So that's his logic.
क्रिकेट
But you know,
देखिए,
I agree,
in
Anand.
cricket the captain leads from the front. You have to be in the middle. Batting आपको करना है. आप नहीं बैटिंग करेंगे, आप रन नहीं बनाएंगे तो team will not get lifted. Morale will not be up.
But I think, Anand, he wants to be a different kind of a captain over here. He wants to be. But I agree
Right.
with you. Before I come back to you, I think
Right.
there's been one point which may have hurt him, which could hurt him, which has
Right.
certainly given an ammunition to his political opponents over here, was the fact that why did he not contest the elections? Because
Correct.
whatever explanation he may give, they always ask this question that did you chicken out?
Right, and not just, yeah, absolutely. After doing 3 years of hard work, legwork on ground and trying to set up cadre and party right across every district, every ward, every area, why did he actually then not contest? Everybody had the same. You had to contest. You had to go and challenge somebody, the Tiger. Either contest where, the Lalan Singh was contesting, or somebody from JDU was contesting, or from Raghopur, where Tejasvi, Bastion, go ahead and show that fight to at least energize your cadre. That's the sentiment everybody had. And when he said, I'm not fighting, I think that itself deflated the entire campaign for Chand Suraj, contrary to what he may believe. All right.